Dear students, now we'll talk about the learning outcomes of the course, that what kind of the learning or the conceptual clarification you will be having after the completion of this course. I think you would be in better position to understand the history of the profession of social work and the underpin philosophy lying behind the social work discipline and the theories which support and guide the social work practice. And you would also be in better position to report and check the ethical and practice standards that guide the profession of social work. The students would be able to demonstrate awareness of various roles of social workers, the better understanding of social work practitioners working in the field. Students would be able to develop the critical and analytical skills about the social structures, that how the social structures affect the human life and the ecological context influence the individuals, groups, and communities, and also how the marginalization, oppressions, and less privileged practices exist in the society. Students would be able to develop an understanding of how social work promotes positive social change and assist people in managing their daily lives and experiences. Students would be in better position to self-reflect on personal development in emotional, cognitive, behavioral, and social domains. Another important learning outcome is the students would be able to describe the relationship between theoretical perspectives and practice approaches of social work methods with respect to the different fields of social work. Students will be in better position to develop a conceptual framework and practice paradigms that provides them with the knowledge, skills, values, principles to evaluate their own practice in the breadth of context, working with individuals, families, groups, and communities. I think after the completion of this course, another important learning outcome is to demonstrate critical thinking skills in the spheres of research, practice, and ethics of social work profession to help the people of diversity, including ethnicity, culture, gender, class, race, age, and disability. Students, while being engaged in policy making, would be having more opportunity to adopt the advocacy strategies and social change that advance social and economic justice.